Defences 2. Justificatory and excusatory defences. I would like to continue now looking at defences. We have looked in the first defences tutorial at defences of capacity and mistake, and we are going to look here at justificatory and excusatory defences. So what do these terms mean, and what's the difference between the two? Justificatory defences are those where the law permits the defendant's conduct and makes the conduct lawful. One of the elements of the offence of murder, for example, is that the killing must be unlawful, and a defence such as self-defence would render the conduct lawful, and thus the actus reus of murder is incomplete. A defence is excusatory where the conduct remains unlawful, and the actus reus is complete, but the law excuses the conduct for reason of the defence. Excusatory defences include defences such as duress and marital coercion. We're going to look first at self-defence, which, as we've just discussed, is a justificatory defence. It is a complete defence to act in self-defence, in the defence of another, or to prevent a crime, where reasonable force is used.